And they're off. And they all came away to a good beginning. Full of Mine. Fox Rules down at the rail. I Love Lulu is up close, along with Australenka. And then it is Royal Posse who's racing in fifth. Good Luck Gus has made his way over to the rail and is sixth as they race around the clubhouse turn. And it's Fox Rules on the lead here by a length. I Love Lulu is second by a head, and Full of Mine is next in third. Now Royal Posse advances on the outside into fourth. Australenka is back in fifth. Good Luck Gus is the trailer. The first quarter was run in 23 and 3/5 seconds. On the lead, Fox Rules. Fox Rules by a length. I Love Lulu second by a head, and Royal Posse is getting closer on the outside in third. Then it's Full of Mine. Down at the rail is Australenka and Good Luck Gus at the back. The half in 47 and 4. Fox Rules with the lead here by a length. I Love Lulu and Royal Posse are right together, second and third. Now Good Luck Gus gets into gear on the extreme outside. He's followed by Full of Mine and Australenka. They continue around the far turn. It's Fox Rules down at the rail. And here's the favorite now, Royal Posse up on the outside to challenge Good Luck Gus, moving along with Full of Mine as the field comes into the stretch. It's a Royal Posse narrowly over Fox Rules. Good Luck Gus out in the middle of the track. And Full of Mine down at the rail. Australenka is putting in a big run. There's a 16th to the wire. Royal Posse, Good Luck Gus, Australenka. They come down for the finish, and it's going to be Good Luck Gus to get there right at the end. A big day for Irad Ortiz Jr. and trainer Rudy Rodriguez. Good Luck Gus wins the Haynesfield.